Have you ever wondered why some people your age suddenly seem to get weaker almost overnight, struggling to go upstairs or lift a bag of groceries, while others remain energetic and independent? Here's a shock. After 50, we lose up to 2% of our muscle every single year. By the time you reach 80, you could have lost nearly a third of your strength. This isn't just about looking frail. This is about whether you can carry your grandkids, get off the couch on your own, or avoid dangerous falls. I see it every week. Seniors who thought their declining muscle was just getting old, when beneath it, small choices at the dinner table decide whether you stay active or become dependent. The pain is real. Imagine the frustration of struggling to stand up after sitting, feeling wobbly on steps, missing out on family outings, or fearing a slip in the bathroom. If you feel like your body is betraying you, you're not alone and you are certainly not powerless. But here's the twist. For years, big companies have convinced us that staying strong after 60 requires expensive shakes, steaks, or fancy supplements. They offer hope in a bottle or bar, and every time you reach for that $50 jug of protein powder, you're told it's your only choice. But is there another way? Is it true that a simple grocery list can do what products costing hundreds of dollars promise, for just pennies on the dollar? In one study from Harvard, seniors who consistently ate basic protein-rich foods maintained more strength, better balance, and independence than those relying on supplements. Some researchers have even observed that regular protein from simple foods supports muscle in ways powders can't. Let me tell you about Margaret, a retired school teacher. At 72, she was tired of waking up with aches and refusing invitations from friends because just walking the block left her winded. She thought she had to accept decline until we changed her breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Within months, it wasn't just muscle she regained. It was confidence, laughter, and control over her own life. So, let me ask you, when was the last time you really thought about the source of your protein? How much money do you spend each week trying to stay strong? And is it paying off the way you'd hoped? By the end of this video, you'll know the 7 cheapest protein foods that seniors should use to rebuild muscle, stay independent, and feel younger than you have in years. Most cost less than your morning coffee, yet they deliver the tools your body needs to repair, restore, and thrive. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let's jump right in. I want you to reimagine what real strength after 60 can look like. Forget the marketing you see everywhere. The best foods for muscle might already be in your pantry or waiting in the budget aisle at your local store. Let's start with a true underdog. Sardines. People have mixed feelings about sardines. Maybe you remember the smell from your own childhood, or think of them as old-fashioned lunch food. But here's the truth. One budget-friendly can, usually just over $1, has 23 grams of complete, highly usable protein. That's nearly the same as a premium piece of salmon or an expensive protein bar, but at a fraction of the cost. But what sets sardines apart isn't just the quantity, it's the quality. They provide all 9 essential amino acids in exactly the right ratio for muscle repair. After age 60, our bodies are exposed to daily inflammation that quietly wears down muscle fibers. You might not even notice it until you suddenly struggle with a simple chore. In one study, people over 65 who consumed fatty fish like sardines twice weekly lost less muscle and had better grip strength than those who didn't. This is partly due to powerful omega-3 fatty acids like EPA and DHA, which help guard against inflammation and actively protect your hard-earned muscle. Sardines also come with edible bones, supplying calcium and phosphorus vital for bone strength. For many of my senior clients, including sardines in a meal is the best dollar they spend all week. Try them mashed with avocado and lemon, on top of whole grain crackers, or stirred into scrambled eggs. Not a fan of the flavor? Try skinless, boneless sardines in olive oil for a mild and creamy option. Even if you only open a can once a week, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs for muscle and bone. Isn't it amazing how such a small food can make such a big difference in your strength and independence? Now that we've unwrapped the power of sardines, let's move to another hero from the seafood aisle: canned tuna. Canned tuna is one of those foods so common and affordable, it often gets overlooked. But for seniors, There's hardly a better deal, about $1 per can, packing 22 grams of high-quality, complete protein. Tuna rivals even the fanciest supplements, gram for gram. And here's where it gets interesting. Some studies from the University of Arkansas found that older adults absorb and use fish protein exceptionally well over 90%. In fact, that means each bite counts, especially as you age and your digestive system becomes less efficient. Tuna is also gentle on the waistline, low in fat and calories, so you can build lean muscle without unwanted weight. It supplies selenium and B vitamins too, supporting immune function and fueling all-day energy. Some ask about mercury, but the FDA says light tuna like skipjack can be safely eaten up to 3 times a week. For balance, mix it up with other fish like sardines. Tuna is as versatile as it is affordable. Mix it with Greek yogurt for a lighter salad. Add to pasta. Serve on whole grain crackers, or form quick patties with egg and oats. Whether you need a fast lunch, a protein-packed salad, or a dinner shortcut, tuna delivers. The muscle-saving power doesn't end with fish. Let's pivot to the dairy aisle for food. Number 5. Cottage cheese. If you haven't checked out cottage cheese in years, you're missing a game changer for muscle health. 1 cup packs 24 grams of protein, and a full tub is usually less than $2.50. That means just a few cents per gram, an unbeatable value. What makes cottage cheese so remarkable is its unique protein, casein. Casein digests slowly, feeding your muscles all night long, exactly when your body does most of its repair work. Research from McMaster University suggests that a serving of casein before bed helps seniors gain more muscle overnight, compared to skipping evening protein. This slow release keeps you stronger, longer. On top of protein, cottage cheese is a rich source of bone-building minerals like calcium and magnesium, and it delivers leucine, an amino acid that acts like a switch for muscle protein synthesis, meaning more muscle growth with every spoonful. How can you use it? Stir cottage cheese into smoothies. Pair it with fruit for breakfast. Substitute it for ricotta in baked dishes, or mix into eggs for a creamy skillet meal. Full-fat versions keep you satisfied and boost vitamin D absorption too, both critical for aging well. Does this remind you of your childhood? For many, the taste of cottage cheese is a nostalgic trip. For others, it's new, but the payoff is worth it. We've seen animal-based proteins, but what about budget-friendly plants? Enter lentils. Food number 4. Lentils may not be glamorous, but they're remarkably effective for anyone over 60, aiming to rebuild and preserve muscle. A cup of cooked lentils supplies 18 grams of protein, and usually costs less than 20 cents. What's so special about lentils for seniors? First, they're rich in leucine to unlock muscle building, even when your body becomes resistant, a common challenge called anabolic resistance. Second, their iron content tackles one of the most hidden causes of senior weakness, mild iron deficiency. Even a small shortage can leave you feeling tired and weak, but lentils help keep you energized. With 15 grams of fiber per cup, lentils also feed your gut health, improving nutrient absorption and supporting regularity, something every senior will appreciate. They round it out with B vitamins for energy and muscle function. One Journal of Nutrition study found that older adults who ate legumes like lentils had better muscle preservation and daily function than peers who relied on animal proteins alone. A reminder that plant foods belong in the muscle conversation too. Don't know how to start? Add red lentils to hearty soups. Toss green lentils into salads, or serve them with whole grains for a complete protein. Unlike dried beans, lentils don't need soaking and cook in about 20 minutes. They're quick, filling, and highly versatile. Ever wondered why some seniors have more energy and bounce in their step? Lentils could be one reason. Next, let's visit a trusted classic, eggs. Eggs remain nature's perfect protein powerhouse. For just 20 cents per egg, you get 6 grams of highly absorbable protein, meaning every bite truly counts. But here's the catch. Don't skip the yolks. Research from the University of Illinois observed that seniors who ate whole eggs Not just the whites after exercise showed 40% greater muscle growth response. The yolk is loaded with leucine, vitamin D, and choline, all of which help your body use protein better and strengthen the connection between your brain and muscles. This reduces falls and keeps you sharp. Eggs are easy to digest and conveniently versatile for seniors. Hard-boiled for a grab-and-go snack, scrambled with spinach for breakfast, sliced into a sandwich, or poached for dinner. If you've ever been told to fear eggs for cholesterol, research now shows that most healthy seniors can safely eat up to 2 eggs a day, with no increase in heart disease risk. Maximize the health benefits by boiling or poaching instead of frying at high heat. Not only will eggs support your muscle, but they also contribute critical nutrients for your bones and brain. Do you remember the simple pleasure of an egg and toast breakfast before facing the day? That habit, it turns out, may be one of the best things you can do for yourself after 60 tests. Now, let's talk about Greek yogurt. The multitasking muscle food. Greek yogurt delivers 20 grams of protein per dollar per cup. What makes it unique is its mix of fast and slow digesting protein, whey, and casein, which means it feeds your muscles immediately after activity, then keeps supporting them for hours. For seniors struggling with muscle loss, Greek yogurt is an easy daily habit that helps overcome the body's natural decline in protein efficiency. Tufts University research showed that seniors who regularly ate Greek yogurt not only preserved more muscle but also had faster walking speeds and stronger grip. Greek yogurt supports more than just muscle. It delivers calcium for bones, vitamin B for energy, and live probiotics to boost gut health. A healthy gut means you absorb more from every meal and slash chronic inflammation that otherwise eats away at your muscle and energy. How to use it? Try it with berries and walnuts for a breakfast. Swap it for mayo in salads. Add a drizzle of honey and cinnamon for a guilt-free snack, or dollop it atop baked potatoes and chilies. A quick tip: go for plain, full-fat Greek yogurt to maximize vitamin absorption and avoid added sugar. Greek yogurt isn't just affordable, it's like a personal trainer and nutritionist all in one bowl. Finally, food number 1. The powerful, humble dried bean. Here's why beans belong at the top for anyone over 60. For around 10 cents, you get 15 grams of protein per cup, a fraction of the price of supplements that don't give you as much. But beans do more than offer protein. Beans are packed with leucine, iron, potassium, and magnesium for muscle building, strong bones, and circulation. They deliver fiber to nourish your gut and help absorb key nutrients. That's not just about muscles. Healthy circulation and digestion are the foundation of energy and resilience after 60. In one 5-year Journal of Nutrition study, seniors who consistently ate beans maintained more muscle, stronger grip, and had fewer hospitalizations after falls. That's real-life strength, not just numbers on a nutrition label. What's more, beans lower inflammation and deliver antioxidants, supporting not just muscle and bone but also protecting brain health and joint comfort. Don't worry about complicated prep. Soak overnight. Cook in batches, and freeze portions for quick meals. Black, kidney, navy, pinto, chickpeas. Mix it up for variety and nutrition. Enjoy them in soups, salads, as a base for veggie burgers, or paired with rice for complete protein. Whatever cuisine you like, beans fit right in. Remember, the muscle you're building isn't just for show, it's for walking confidently, doing things independently, and enjoying your freedom. Let's reflect for a moment. Imagine opening your pantry and seeing all the power you need for strong muscles and bones. Right there. No pricey powders, no fancy packages, just humble, powerful choices. You don't have to accept weakness as a normal part of aging. Research suggests that the choices you make now can help you feel younger, move easier, and live on your own terms even decades from today. Let me ask, are you using these powerhouse foods yet? Which will you start with this week? I'd love to hear about your experience. If you've ever felt tired or struggled with muscle weakness after 50, this channel is for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life after 50 down. And check out our next video on reversing insulin resistance to go even deeper. Your best years really can be ahead, stronger, steadier, and more independent, one smart meal at a time.